Guys, you're welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. This video is just to show you what Jiuhua looks like after installation. We drive to Ibadan with the client, with the owner of the apartments at Ibadan, which is a 20 rooms hotel located at Challenge in Ibadan. And Jiuhua is used all through the internal doors and the entrance to every rooms in the hotel. This is the room. One of the room is a 6 inches block frame and it worked perfectly. You can see the beauty of the door. The door is a steel door and this design is called the FP Jiuhua door. These are one of the quality Jiuhua door, and it has the toilet size as well. They are both Jiuhua. All door used in these hotels is Jiuhua door design. So I just want to show you guys how Jiuhua door looks like when installed, and that these doors are also quality doors that are used in some of quality areas in Nigeria. This is an hotel and all doors installed here are all Jiuhua door. This is an amazing door design. Both the toilet and the entrance door were all Jiuhua door. This hotel is located at Ibadan. So let me go around and see how these doors have been installed in this hotel.